Hello, this is Armando. I'm going to change the screen for my HP laptop. It got wet, so I have to change it. You're going to need one screwdriver. I got this Dollar Tree. There's no special tools, but this. Actually, you're going to need only one. This one, 32 inches. If you can get something thin on plastic to take off the frame, it's better. I don't have that thing, but I already took it to a place and they told me I have to replace the screen. So the frame of my laptop is already off. It's kind of loose. I just left this part so you can see how it comes off. I use my nails, they're not very long. Just do it one at a time so you don't damage anything. That sound is normal. It has a lot of clips, one at a time. There's no screws here like other models. Also, my laptop has the battery. I mean, it's not available to take it off easily. I'm gonna put this over here so it doesn't get damaged. You see some screws here in the bottom. You only have to take out this thing, not this. Now the screen is loose. You put it here carefully and use this cable. It's connected here and there's a sticker. Do this carefully. This sticker kind of holds the connector. This one for security, so you don't get disconnected. I believe so. Then you disconnect this. Grab it by the cord. Okay, this is the bad screen. I got the replacement at laptopscreen.com. It's well packaged. Take your time because we want this to work. We'll put the sticker right here. So now it should work. But we have to first put the screen in place. Use those black things at the bottom. See? The screen doesn't move. If you have a rock in your floor, watch out. You don't lose the screws. Last one. have to take off these protective films right now. This feels nice. Brand new things. Next, I have to put the frame. This plastic is very thin. Be careful you don't break it. I'm gonna start here. One by one. Here in the bottom there was a sticky thing, so there's no clips. I don't feel any clips, but the frame feels good. Okay, I'm gonna have to connect the computer. Yep, it worked. That's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.